we're going to do a stream, and I'm hearing myself. Wait. Okay, you can't hear the radio. I've got my receivers turned on. We're gonna do something. It's kind of a vague attempt, and it's not titled in the stream. Okay. I need a signal to go to this generator. I need to turn this on. I'm listening to my receiver, but you can't hear it. And as a matter of fact, let me turn my mic up. So, you can't hear what's happening, unfortunately, because I haven't figured out how to do that. But I'm going to turn on this generator. Oh, something's blocking the view here. This is just a pot shot. I call it a pot shot. And, wait a minute, nothing. Shit. Generate battery. Should be. No, it's not. Okay, I must have turned off. No. This is the supply. This is ground. Where's my 9 volts? Here. Why the hell is that connected to ground? No, it's not. That's ground. That's... Oh, this is my supply resistor here. This is my... Oh, okay, it's this one. Okay. It's gotta be... Sweet. Okay. Now I'm gonna adjust this. If I can, okay. The scope is connected and it shouldn't interfere with the signal. I should monitor that voltage. I probably don't need to. I got a peak noise, but I'm looking for something else on this radio. can't get what I'm looking for some reason. What am I looking at? Oh, wait just a minute. Wait just a minute. That's not correct. That's not supposed to be there. This is an input. I'm trying to send in my audio tones into this little transmitter. But I'm supposed to be on this channel. And before I do that, before I even do that, I've got to I'm trying to get a straight signal, and for some reason I'm not getting it. Let's take this battery connector out. I had another circuit in here that I was going to work with tonight, but I decided, you know what? I'm going to make this a secret stream. Bet something's wrong. I gotta look at the voltage, I guess. Let's see. You might ask, what am I trying to do? Well, unfortunately, I can't tell you. It's a secret. So let's look at ground. And well, that's hitting 4 volts right now, which is too high. I'm having some synchronization issues, and I don't... Oh, I know why. Ah, I got it. I got it figured out. Good. Excellent. That's what I want right there. Excellent. Alright, it's working. Very nice. It's a little bit on the sensitive side. Now, if I can find... There's a lot of shit on here. Actually... I just gotta find a quiet space on the radio, and I may be able to tune this thing on the frequency that I want to be on. What the hell is that damn tool? very sensitive. Uh-oh, what the fuck happened? Did my fucking radio die? Is there smoke from... Jesus, what the fuck now? My radio just died. Fuck. Damn it. That is like super sensitive. I think that's it right there. So now we're oscillating into what I consider faster than light oscillations, and I'm going to try to feed. Okay, so I was going to feed. I'm going to do two things. I'm going to feed audio tones into the circuit, and I'm going to feed my microphone into another generator and modulate that. Oh, that says amplitude modulation, but I should be able to tune. So now I'm going to send a 400 hertz tone on this generator and see. We got an output. We're going to need an antenna, and I can use this, I think, because I've already calibrated everything. And I'm going to use this guy right here as an antenna. It's got a little adapter thing on here. And I'll put that over. My antenna that I'm using is actually, it's just a wire. And so I'm going to point that up over here and just put it near the wire, because I'm able to go up to 2 megahertz on this by a freak chance of luck. And I'm going to set an internal calibration of 400 hertz at this frequency. And I found it. But it's being overloaded considerably. Let's see. Let me disconnect this. I don't even need this on. It's overloading the attenuator is not going to help. Okay, I lost it there. I gotta sneeze. So I cannot. This is really, it's drifting. It takes a half an hour for this other generator to warm up. You'd think there'd be a fine frequency adjust on there, wouldn't you? I can't hear the oh, it's too loud. So my microphone, wait, I wonder if okay, I gotta do something else here. Let's go ahead and drop this wire. Oh, you fucking bitch, you. Let's put this over here. And this is supposed to be my output. So I've got another, I should probably move this here. This goes over here. Now I've got access to my tone generator. Somewhere over here there's a 1 kilohertz tone. Now you might hear that. And the tone you might hear, but you don't hear the radio. So where's the microphone? So that's coming out of there. Alright, let me shut the tone off. Hello? Okay, so now I'll take this mic off of here. And I don't know where the end of that cable is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 43241. Hello? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? So that's my mic. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my microphone along with the tones go into this. The microphone goes into this. This is transmitting on the same frequency that this is, and both things are going to be modulating. I mean, I really need to modulate the tones, and I'm not able to do that. So I'm just throwing this crap together really quick, and we're gonna find out if something happens. The secret stream. Actually, wait a minute. I might be able to do both. I might be able to do both. Fuck. You can't hear the radio. I hear a lot of static right now. And I'm trying to get... Ooh, that might work. You see that mic? Yeah, I can't tell if that's transmitting or not. Fuck. Fuck me, Freddy. Is that the right one? The tones are coming through there. The microphone's coming through. That's all control output. Something's not fucking right here. Oh, it's getting in now without that capacitor. I wonder. Fuck. Fuck me. That's actually working. Holy shit. Where's the tones? Oh my god, that's working. Now, I don't need this because I'm putting the voice and the tones into here. This is going to get transmitted onto the radio. can set it up so that I'm not listening. How am I listening to the tones? Where the hell am I listening to that? Fuck, I don't know. I hear myself here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, now that I know I can adjust my tones, everything is set, it's all stable, and I'm going to not listen to myself. And I'm going to try and transmit all the tones. Wait, I've got to hear the tones though, don't I? Alright, so what I'm going to do, we're going to try all the Spiricom tones first. And I can see the adjustment on the thing over there. But all I'm hearing is noise. So something's not right. Let me go up to this frequency. Wait, fuck. Let me go back. I need to change the radio frequency, I think. Oh my god, I can hear it. I can hear it on the radio. Yes! Okay, I'm going to go back and play all the tones. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have the first Spiricom set up, and you can see it on the scope when I'm talking, but I don't have the tones in yet, so here we go. And I got my tones list here, so it's going to be interesting. Woo! That's 282. There's a total of 13 tones. And I know this is annoying. I don't think I can, I know this is annoying for you guys, because you can't hear the radio. I might be able to change it once I get the tones set up. from the stream. But as you can see on... Oh, shit. Oh, I lost my microphone. Fuck. So, I'm going to lose my microphone. And there's nothing I can do here. So, what I'm going to do is tune the radio to these tones and see if we can make contact. Yeah, this is the secret stream right here, boys and girls, men and women, children of all ages. Welcome to the flying circus. This is it, baby. Test, test, test. Hello? 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 Can anybody hear me? Can anybody hear me? Hello? 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 Can anybody hear me? Test 1, 2, 3. I'm transmitting on a frequency of approximately 1.783 megahertz. And I am listening for any anomalous voices or signals. Hello, test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. Can anybody hear me? Test 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can anybody hear me? Test 1, 2, 3. I'm transmitting on around 1.78 megahertz through the multi-dimensional portal. Hello, hello, can anybody hear me? Can anybody hear me? Can you hear me? I am transmitting around 1.787 megahertz. Transmitting through the Universe Gateway portal. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. This is Earth calling the universe. Does any Anyone copy? Test, test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, hello, can you hear me? Test, 1, 2, 3, 4, can you hear me? I will try to adjust the tones. Actually, I'm going to leave the tones the way they are and adjust the modulation of the circuit. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Can anybody hear me? I'm transmitting on the universe portal. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. I'm Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can anybody hear me? Test 1, 2. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, hello. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Can anybody hear me? This is the Harbinger Man. On planet Earth, we are seeking to make contact across the universe using the universe portal here. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Can anybody hear me? I'm looking to make contact through the universe portal. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, I'm going to turn off my tones and just modulate. I'm modulating through the multi-feedback transmitter. If anybody can copy, please transmit your signal now. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Can anybody hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Test 1, 2, can you hear me? Can anybody hear me? I'm transmitting on a frequency of 1.765, and I'm looking to transmit on the faster than light portal. Can you copy? Please send me a message. Over. Hello, hello, test 1, 2. I am now transmitting on a frequency of 1.765. 1.765 megahertz. I am talking through the universe portal. If anybody can hear my voice, please respond. Over. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Over. I am transmitting on the universe portal, looking for a signal. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Over. Can you hear me? I am transmitting on the universe portal. Transmitting on the universe portal. The radio frequency is 1.765 megahertz on a planet Earth, and we are transmitting through a fractal dimension. I'm not sure what that fractal dimension is, but if you can copy me, please send back your signals now. Over. Does anybody copy me? Does anybody copy? I'm transmitting on the universe portal. The universe portal. Testing 1, 2, 3. If there's anybody, any entity that wishes to make contact, specifically Thomas Edison. Yes. Please, am I? You know, I think I'm actually. No, I'm not, because that's. Wait a minute. Is that actually streaming? Hello, 1, 2, 3. It is. That's okay. Hey, what can I say? I didn't know that was streaming, actually, because... Yeah, I kind of forgot about that. Wait, it looks like you hear... No. What are you hearing? I think you're only hearing the tones, which I'm sure is pretty annoying. So yes, I am transmitting on the universe portal at a frequency of approximately 1.765 megahertz using fractional dimensional technology, which is not very good right now because I'm connecting directly to the circuit, and it's probably not the correct way to do this, but I just figured I'd throw it together. I can't change anything in the circuit because if I do, I'll lose the receive frequency. So if there's any voice out there that can send a signal back, please do so now. Thank you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I'm not sure if you can hear me now because the capacitor is blocking. I wonder if I can put a different capacitor in there. Let's try this one. Oh, goddamn. Why is that so fucking stiff? Test 1 2 3 4. Test 1 2 3 4. Can anybody hear me? Can anybody hear me? Over. Test 1 2 3 4. Test 1 2 3 4. I'm transmitting on the universe faster than light portal in a dimension approximately between 1 and 2, between the first and second dimensions. If there's anybody out there that can copy me, please go ahead and try to send a signal back. I'm listening. I'm sending a signal out around 1.78 megahertz. But I'm not sure now what's happened because I put this capacitor in here. If anybody can hear my voice, please go ahead and send a signal back. Thank you. And not someone on the stream either. Hello, hello, hello. Test 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? Over. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, wait a minute. Fuck. If anybody can hear me, I'm attempting to send a signal on the universe portal. If anybody can hear me, please send a signal. Thank you. Over. Yeah, what's happened is I've lost my signal on here. It's because of this stupid ass capacitor. I got some other tones on that radio. I don't know where they are. I'm gonna have a headache tomorrow. I can't find that damn, I can't find that signal. Like, I got something right here, but I can't find it on the radio now. The radio's too loud. I can't find that damn thing now. Shit. That is so weird. Damn it, this is pissing me off here. Alright, I got it. I got it back. Hello, 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 hello. That's a rock solid frequency, and it ought to be right there. Fuck. Come on. hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Can anybody hear me? Hello, hello, hello. I am now at 391 kilohertz. Hello, can anybody hear me? Please send your signal now. Thank you. Hello, 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 hello. Guys, I gotta go back and listen to the stream. I'll probably delete it. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, hello. Transmitting on the universe portal. Listening for any signals. Hello, hello. Hello? 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 Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? I'm probably overloading. You know what I could probably do? Hello, hello, hello. Transmitting on the universe portal, Earth frequency approximately 390 kilohertz. Unfortunately, I do not hear the tones, but I think I can see them. I'm going to turn them off. I'm going to crank the tones a little bit louder. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Please transmit any frequency on the universe portal. Earth calling moon. Send your signal now. Over. Test 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you hear me? Can anybody hear me? Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Is anybody listening? Thank you. Send your signal now. Over. See, the problem is I'm listening for tones. I can see the tones being transmitted, but I can't hear them, and that's what supposedly the energy is used to send a signal back. But I can't hear those tones. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Transmitting on the universe portal. Transmitting on the universe portal. Looking for a signal. Looking for a signal. If anybody's listening, I'm at Earth frequency 391 kilohertz. I do not hear tones, but I can see that the tones are being transmitted. And I'm trying to modulate those tones as well, but trying to peak the noise on my end. It'll be interesting to hear what the stream sounds like. Now, I'll tell you, it's been more or less proven that sometimes digital information can also be altered. So if I go back and listen to the stream, there actually could be something on the stream that I didn't hear on here. Can anybody hear me? I'm communicating on the universe portal, faster than light technology. And we're transmitting on Earth frequency 391. Actually, you know what? Let's go to frequency 369. Test, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello. I'm now on frequency 369. I'm at 369 kilohertz. Listening for any signals. Hello. Testing 1 2 3. Does anybody copy on the universe portal? Thank you. Please send your signal now. Over. I've got a good noise signal. Now I'm going to drop those frequencies and see if that noise goes down. I'm going to try something else. What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all of the tones. Up to the beginning of the solfeggio frequencies, which I'm probably not even going to bother with tonight, which is that one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in noise here. I'm going to add a noise generator. Now I'm sending out a noise generator signal. This is white noise, but I can't hear it. Oh, we got to turn it up. Oh, come on. Don't give me this garbage. There we go. Alright, now I'm transmitting the white noise generator. Let me see what that does over there. That is making an effect on the signal. Can anybody hear me? Can anybody hear me? Is anybody on Twitch? Can anybody hear me? Looking for your signal on the universe portal. Any frequency can be contacted. Any frequency can be contacted. I'm operating on Earth frequency of 370 kilohertz. Send your signal now. Over. Test 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can anybody hear me on the universe portal frequency? Send your signal now. Over. Alright, I'm going to put this antenna on here. And I'm going to put it right here. Can anybody hear me? I'm calling on the universe portal frequency, Earth frequency 370 kilohertz. You can transmit on any frequency. I should be able to hear you. Hello, hello, hello. Can anybody out there in Flatland hear me? All I'm hearing is static right now. And eventually we are going to set up a light network, and we're going to try magnetics. I'm not picking up any signals. Over. Well, this concludes our broadcast for the evening. I don't know if that radio's coming in, but I'm shutting that baby off because I'm dead tired. I gotta do something else. Figure out. I mean, that was a pretty good effort with everything that I've built with this. You can see, well, anyway, you can see the signal on the scope, okay? And what that is a multivariant signal, and I can clean it up. It's a little bouncy, but that's what it looks like. The scope is adding another axis, and so what happens is this thing will go into oscillation with these LEDs, and I can adjust this so that it goes to the next limit cycle. Like there's two curly cues in the middle right there. Now here there's three. These are called limit cycles. So when I adjust this voltage, it travels between the second and third limit cycles. That's traveling through infinity. Okay? Those signals are going through infinity. And when this thing is transmitting between the two limit cycles, and I transmit on top of that, hello? Well, it's not working now, is it? Hello? Hello? Why is that not working? Oh, because I turned my thing off. I'm going, well, that's all shut off. Let me just turn this back on here. Hello? 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 So you can see something happening there where it's changing. Hello? Hello? I think it's modulating. If I just barely set that. Test 1 2 3. Hello, hello, hello. So I am frequency modulating something, that signal. Unfortunately, when I play the tones, I can't hear the tones. I mean, there's the solfeggio frequencies, so I'm going to play the solfeggio frequencies and turn these on. Did I lose one? Alright. Play. 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 Now, I cannot hear these, and I don't know if those solfeggio frequencies are actually coming across. But we're going to throw them in there anyway. And I don't even have the radio Test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Transmitting on 367 Earth kilohertz. Transmitting on the universe portal. Any frequency can be used to send your signal back. Please transmit now. Over. Transmitting on Earth frequency 367 kilohertz. Transmitting on Earth frequency 367 kilohertz. Can you hear me? Can anybody hear me? Transmitting on the universe portal, the universal portal that communicates between fractional dimensions. We are listening for your signal. Over. Please transmit. I thought I heard something. Transmitting on 369 Earth kilohertz. Please transmit on the universal communications portal between fractional dimensions. Over. Please transmit your signals on the universal portal interstellar communications transmit channel of the universe. We are listening here on planet Earth. Earth frequency 368 kilohertz. Transmit your signal now. Over. Honestly, I think what I need, like I'm using this receiver over here, which is extremely noisy, and if I use this transmitter, now like, I mean, it's transmitting at 1 megahertz or whatever the heck it's doing. I don't think it has to be powerful. It just has to go through those frequencies, which it does. And when you transmit between the two limit cycles, I mean, you're really transmitting. That's a lot of power. I mean, I can see that on the scope. Part of the theory is there, like 25%. Whether it actually does that or not, I'm highly subjective about the whole thing. It was just a idea in my head that I want to throw it together, and I'm fairly surprised that I got it, as much of it to work as I did. I might be able to use this as a basis for transmitting the signal into an amplifier, which is what I was supposed to do. We could I gotta build a slightly more powered amplifier, and I want to transmit that through I mean, I could transmit it through the piezo speaker and then bounce the laser off the piezo speaker, because that's what this other fellow was trying to do. Now, then you're only, that's going to be a megahertz frequency, and it's going to be frequency modulated. It's not going to be amplitude modulated. The piezo speaker may pick it up, and if the laser's pointed at the piezo speaker, it will vibrate the laser frequency, and if those tones are on there, you're supposed to be able to hear the tones. And with the laser thing, it's like no noise. It's super quiet. And what you're kind of doing is you're asking for these entities to enter your space. And now I send you whatever entities and beings that existed in this space. You are now free to leave. You don't need to be here anymore. Please go about your business, and I will try to contact you again on some other venue. I gotta go back and listen to the stream because I'm kind of curious as to what came out. It was fun, you know. I call it my secret stream today. So it was interesting, you know. We got the circuit there, but it's getting late, and I gotta call it. I gotta call it here. We will press on with this. I'm not giving up on this. No way am I gonna give up. What do I have? Okay, there's still tones being transmitted. Why? It's a line input here. Okay, so they should be off. Yeah, okay, there goes the tones. I shut the tones off. Crazy, huh? But we got that to work. That's pretty cool. I am impressed. We got a frequency modulated signal to modulate that waveform, and it didn't load it down, and I just hooked up the signal through a capacitor, and lo and behold, we got somewhere. So we can use that. We got to build a power circuit. The power circuit's going to feed magnets. We're going to feed I got something that I think is a magnet. I don't know what the hell that thing is. I think it's a thyratron or something. But it ain't what it's supposed to be. It's something else. But I do got, I'd have to feed, I got a speaker that doesn't have a cone in it. It's a big one. And we're going to crank that bad boy up, and I might use a DC amp to do it. Or the piezo thing. If I modulate the piezo, let me just take a look here. Let's see. Piezo. I wonder what the specs are on these things. Oh, there's one right there. What is that? Standard buzzer. It goes up to 2.2 kilohertz. Piezo speaker. What's the range? Piezo loudspeaker. Right. Let's go to images. Piezo specification, AliExpress. There's a bunch of piezos there. Let's get a cover on it. Piezo buzzer. That's what I got. But I wonder what the current is. RS Pro data set. Eight volts peak to peak. 85 dB continuous. Resonant frequency, resonant impedance is 600 ohms. Okay, that's good. Battery capacitance, storage temperatures, lead length wire. Max voltage, a 30-volt peak-to-peak square wave. Damn. That'll handle 9 volts then. Wait, let me think about this. So yeah, we're putting that information across the speaker, and then we're gonna, well, I could show you on here. Where's the tube? We'll just shut that off. Is it the tube? No, it's web page. So this is the Piezo speaker, and it's got this surface, and we're going to vibrate that circus. Yeah, this is a circus, all right. And then bounce the laser off of this. That will modulate the laser. And then we pick off the laser light with the LED thing and see if, convert that to sound and see if there's anything. So the other option would be to send the signal to a magnet and induce magnetic induction and listen to the magnetic forces and see if there's something there. That's the other option. I'm trying to do the Sparacom thing. That's kind of what I did here. I'm not going to say it's an epic failure, but I didn't hear the tones, and I think it's got something to do with that circuit because it's frequency modulating it. Wait a minute. Well, wait a minute. My other radio has frequency modulation, but this receiver doesn't. So maybe we can, and this other radio goes down to, I don't know what frequency it is. It goes down quite a ways. I mean, I don't know if that's FM, but it would be interesting to listen to. Yep, that's what's happening. That's the secret stream, and it's over.